COVID cases in the state of Maharashtra. In Mumbai alone, we've seen a spike of nearly 5,000 cases on a single day. Maharashtra's Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has now hinted at a possible lockdown. But why are cases shooting up and why now? Is there some new COVID strain or a double mutant behind Maharashtra's record numbers, or has the containment strategy gone wrong? We spoke to Maharashtra's Health Minister Rajesh Tope to understand what is going on. Take a look. Welcome to the show, Mr. Tope. Let's begin with the figures first. Maharashtra accounts for nearly 60% of all the new COVID cases in India today. Are we seeing a second wave? What is your assessment?
I think this is a second wave. This second wave is like it has a very high infectivity rate. So asymptomatic patients are seen to the tune of 80 to 85%. At present, the numbers which are coming on daily basis, that is a point of concern. The numbers which are increasing to the tune of 35,000 per day is a point of concern.
Sir, there's been some talk about a double mutant, a new COVID strain behind Maharashtra's record numbers. Do we have any data to confirm this?
Yes, there is a double mutation, but I think I'm not the authority to speak on that. NCDC is the right authority, National Center for Disease Control. Lot many samples has been forwarded to NCDC with the report by NIV, National Institute of Virology. They should comment on this.
Mr. Tope, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has hinted at a possible lockdown. So is Mumbai going to be seeing another lockdown?
Lockdown is the last resort, or I want to say the last option with the government. Government is not very keen in really going for the lockdown. But if there is no option left, like if we are exhausted with the number of beds, or if we see projected numbers coming very high in number, and we do not find proper beds for the projected numbers which will come in future. So in that, from that perspective, from that point of view, we have to take a proper wise decision. Lockdown also doesn't mean that 100% state should be locked. There are n number of ways wherein we can implement this lockdown. Like we do not want to have any migrant labor issues to come up. We do not want to touch to the industries and to the highly labor-oriented sectors. So, wherever there is crowd gathering, which is seen, like in restaurants, in theaters, in malls, in offices, so those we can implement some stricter measures or restrictions on them, so that the spread can be controlled. So implementation of more stricter restriction is our first step and not the lockdown.
So when you talk about COVID appropriate behavior, that's a problem that's common to all the states today. But why is Maharashtra showing a spike and not the other states?
Elections going on in 4 states. There are huge rallies going on. And I think they do not have the resources of testing. They do not have the resources of treatment. They are not following the COVID appropriate behavior. They are not reporting at all. So I don't know whether some people might be dying, but are they being reported for COVID?
So how do you propose to control the spike now?
First of all, it is COVID appropriate behavior. That is mask, social distancing and sanitized hands. Second point is 4T principle, like tracking, tracing, testing and treatment. So we have to strictly abide to all these 4T principle. Tracking, tracing to the 1:20 ratio or 1:30 ratio for one active patient should be done very religious.
Sir, coming to vaccination now, given the surge in Maharashtra, are we going to be seeing a universal vaccination program anytime soon?
From the vaccination aspect, I wish that my state is number one in vaccination, and I want to keep it number one. I want to finish my goal or the target which has been given to my state at the earliest. Means I want to finish it within a month or two. So I have to increase the pace of my vaccination, and so we want to increase more number of centers. Vulnerable groups, those are to be prioritized first. They should be vaccinated first, and then in the second turn, I think the youngsters can be vaccinated.
Thank you, Mr. Tope. The big takeaway is that Mumbai may not see a lockdown, but stricter norms.